from Madagascar, guys. Yeah. Wait, you know what, boy? I'm a general, you know. Alright. Sorry, bro. Name where you from? Alright, we got Kelvin from United State of Kingston. Oh, that's a new one, bro. Alright. Guys, let me tell you what you have to do, right? As you can see, the aim is to get the ball in the goal. Person who get the ball in the goal will get the prize. If there's more than one person get a goal, we're gonna work something different now. All right? So pace yourself. Hello. What you have to do, one by one. I need, who's gonna do the example? Jump Supreme. Yeah, where's Dave? Yeah. Jumps. Come over here, bro. Hey, bro. Alright, bro. Science corner right here, man. First, you're gonna stand up, right? Your right hand. You don't know your left from the right. What the? Right? Then put it on your left ear. Right? And you're gonna run with the left hand to the sky. Just like that. On the count of 3, then you're gonna run around this ball right here. This ball right here. 10 times. Put your left hand on the ball. Run around 10 times. Alright? And then you're gonna kick the ball in the goal. Alright? Kick. Easy like a piece of chicken. Who's gonna go first? Who wanna go? Step forward, bro.
Yes, coffee.
Coffee in the building. So, remember what to do, right? And listen, guys, the faster you go, it's better. Alright, yeah, we're gonna wait until the mommy pass, okay? We're gonna wait until the mommy pass. In the meantime, guys, don't forget tonight, over here, it's all about the karaoke session tonight. Alright? 8:30 until 11. Okay, so come on over. So find all the keys right now, alright? Start drinking from now. Karaoke night it is, over here. Get ready. Ready now? Alright, mommy pass. Everybody, I say 1, you say 2. We go at 3. Here we go. 1, 3, go, 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 go. Hurry up, get out. Fast as you can. Touch the ball. Touch the ball. Touch the ball. Touch the ball. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. 10 times. On cupcake 10, you go. Bro, get the ball, bro. Georgia. Come back right there, so. Oh. I think this is being too easy, man.
No.
Alright, that was good though. So, you to the next round. Who's next? Can we see a lady go now? Can we see a lady go? Yeah, come in, Shati. Yeah. What?
Yes,
Hey,
he did
who is
15. Yes, he
sir,
did.
Sir,
I'm
sir.
more than 10.
Don't say that, man. Hey, bro, don't say that, man. Yeah, right here. Right, yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Everybody cheer the lady on. Cheer the lady on. Cheer the lady on. Pass my friend. Pass my friend. Hold on. 10 times. It's a penalty shootout. Hurry up, Sati. Hurry up.
Take your time.
Take time. The passer, the better shot. The way the ball is floating. Passer. Passer. John Wall. Kick now. Kick the ball. Kick the ball. Don't hesitate, guys. Don't hesitate. Hold on. Watch it. Oi! Everybody clap her, she's a good sport. Alright, and he's off. And he's off. And he's off. And he's off. You ever get that? 10 times. 10 times. Hurry up, bro, hurry up. What? No, the ball, no. Brother, get up. Sir, get up. Finish it. Finish it. Finish it. Hurry up. Get the ball. Get the ball. All right. First color. Passa, passa. You must give it back. Passa. Hurry up. We have a new album. We have a new album. Yeah. Here we go. Come on. 10 times. I said 10 times, my lady. Will she score it? Will she score it? Kick the ball! Clap her, guys. Clap her. Will he score it? That was a David Beckham, bro. Nice try, though.
No, come into the door one.
Hey, bro, you're going to do this for the baby, man. Do this for the baby,
Hey,
man.
go, Kevin!
All right. 1, 2, 3, go.
Go, Kevin! Oh, one side.
Follow the instructions. So you put your right hand up, put your right hand up and put it on the left ear, bro.
He got to win, Osh Kelvin.
And then the sky now. Yeah. You want me to Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Go, Kelvin! Go, Kelvin! You can do this! Yeah, Kelvin!
Yeah. Hurry up!
How much that? 10!
Hurry up!
Him not done 10 years! Go, Kelvin! Go, Kelvin! That's a more than 10!
Please score, eh?
Oh, look at him!
He missed it, man.
That's a more than 10!
He missed it, man. Come on, lady. You go. He missed it, man. I can't believe it, man. He missed it, man. Who next? Come on, lady. You go. You ready? You don't know? But we know. Everybody, I say 1, you say 2. Here we go. 1! Yeah, it's a Superman. It's a Superman. Yeah, that's the Superman. It's a Superman. Yo, don't hesitate. Get the ball, brother. Get the ball. a great miss. Last person. Hey, he took off like he was Superman. I said, so we go on. Yeah. Superman. Alright. Ready, bro? Say